Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in Jacarilla, a beautiful, peaceful Spanish town located in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a new development, a fantastic price point starting at €139,000 with only 4 apartments in one building that you can actually take advantage of taking today. These apartments are actually 80 square meters, offer 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and let's face it, are fantastic as a price point. So let's start the tour. I have to say, coming into this building is very inviting. It has modern entry, it's warm, it's lovely, and what's great about it is that there's only 4 apartments that you're actually sharing in the building altogether, so it's rather peaceful. You have 2 apartments on each floor. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, it is a bright white triple security door. In the entry hall you have, for your ease, your video intercom service and also access to your air conditioning. It is a light, bright, modern and inviting apartment as you enter. Bringing me to the end of the hall, I enter the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. This living space is 26 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. As you can see, they have made very good use of the distribution of the space, having windows on almost all walls, letting in lots of natural light. First of all, I'm going to show you the kitchen, as the kitchen is obviously the heart of any living space. What they've done here is they've created a peninsula that gives you the effect of almost like an island. As you can see, you do have different finishes that you can have as well with the countertops, as well as with the storage cabinetry, but the build is actually almost complete. So, with the kitchen anyway, you do get plenty of cabinets. You get here, overlooking your window, the kitchen sink. To my left, you will also find you have your dishwasher. There's a continuation of cabinetry above. There you have your cooking hob, your extractor, and below your oven. And then in this cupboard, you also have the washing machine. And then in the corner would be your refrigerator and your freezer. What's wonderful is at the moment they have a promotion going on, offering all electric appliances and domestic goods included within the price. Now, coming from the kitchen space, I'm now going to take you to the dining space. And what is really nice is that you do also have access to a balcony terrace just next to the kitchen and the dining room. And then it leads really seamlessly to what would be your lounge space. Now from here, I'm going to now take you along the hall and show you the rest of the apartment. So we're going along the hall, which is again, as I said, light and bright, taking you to the first bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright with a similar interior feel. On one side you have a window and an office nook, and it comfortably fits a single bed, but it actually could quite happily fit another. This room also is ideal if you're wanting to use it as an office space. You also have your integrated wardrobes and a door that leads to a toilet that is fully equipped. Coming back into the hall, and I'm now going to take you along the way to the second bedroom. This bedroom is the primary bedroom. It offers 12 square meters. On one side you have a small balcony terrace that you can access through patio doors, and then on the other side you have your integrated wardrobes. What's really nice about the rooms is that they all have LED lighting to give you additional accents in lighting, but to be fair, you don't need it as a light and bright spot. Into the hall, you then also find that you have the main bathroom that is fully equipped. And then it leads to the third bedroom in the hall. This bedroom is again a similar feel. You have a window on one side also fitted wardrobes on the other, and the room is 10 square meters. On the top floor coming up, what is great about it is that each resident, and as I said, you have only 4 in total, have access to their own individual top spot solarium where they can enjoy the weather, the peace, and also the panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This is fantastic because it gives the family an additional living space that they can enjoy throughout the year. In just 15 minutes, you can be on a stunning beach just like this. Quiet, tranquil, plenty of sand and space, bars and chiringuitos at your leisure, a place for volleyball and water sports too. Isn't it just fantastic? The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €300 per year, the community fee is €250 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a great apartment. In Jacarilla, it is in a great location, and it gives everybody what they need if they're wanting to have a home that gives them no fuss. What I also like about it is that you have a great price point. From €139,000, you can get yourself a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that's perfectly ready to move into without furniture and decoration. However, if you are wanting it complete, key ready and ready to move in, like the one that we have featured today, this is available from €159,000. What's wonderful as well is that the developer has decided with the promotion to include various specifications within the construction. So you will have your kitchen appliances and your white goods included. If you do like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please do check out our website where you get the finer details, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you again, and no doubt we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.